Hello everyone, I am Jem Fernandez. I am 19 years old and from Manila. I think unang-una sa lahat is yung confidence ko, my face card actually. And I want to expose this kind of face card and I want to become more confident about myself. I want to improve myself. Unang-una sa lahat, bago ako sumali dito, ginawa ko muna yung best ko to improve my physique, actually my face. And in this event, gusto ko lang na ibigay kung ano lang yung kaya ko, which is I will give my best to hold this title. So ayun. Also my expectation about this event, siguro naman ibibigay namin yung best namin. And as a candidate of this event, we will give our best. I am aiming any of the titles that I can hold. But this time, I want to expose myself once again. And once again, I want to improve myself. And I want to become more more confident. So, ayun, kung ako man ay ang mawipili para manalo sa title na to, gusto ko na magkaroon ng video siguro, no? Lalo na gagamitin natin yung platform ng social media, which is ito yung pinaka malawak na platform. So, sa video yun, gusto ko na ibahagi kung paano nga ba ako naging maayos dahil isa ako sa mga taong tambay dati. And gusto ko as tambay, bigyan niyo yung sarili niyo ng time to improve yourself. So everyone, I am Jay Fernandez and I am representing Blumentritt, Manila. And also, I am inviting you to watch the incoming event on November 30. Please watch us and support us. Thank you so much.